Welcome. You're listening to Wi-Fi, where we connect what we know with who made it. I'm Keith Whitley, and today let's talk about how hemoglobin is one of the most extraordinary molecules in existence, a masterpiece of chemical and biological engineering that functions with precision and grace every second of our lives. It is a microscopic transporter, a protein so complex and beautifully designed that even the most advanced human technology cannot replicate its efficiency. Each hemoglobin molecule is made of 4 subunits, each able to bind to a single oxygen molecule through an iron atom at its core. This iron is what gives blood its deep red color, but it also serves as the pivotal point of life itself, the connection between the air we breathe and the energy every cell requires. When we inhale, oxygen fills our lungs, slipping effortlessly across the alveoli and into the blood. There, hemoglobin stands waiting, ready to embrace the oxygen molecules and carry them with care to every corner of the body. It's a quiet act of service performed billions of times every second, unseen and often unappreciated. What makes hemoglobin so astonishing is not just what it does, but how it does it. It doesn't hold on to oxygen too tightly, nor does it release it too quickly. It responds with exquisite sensitivity to the environment of each cell releasing oxygen where it's needed most, such as in active muscles or oxygen-starved tissues. This delicate balance is maintained through changes in pH, carbon dioxide concentration, and temperature. It's a miraculous system of feedback and adjustment that works perfectly without our conscious thought. Imagine the wisdom behind such design, a molecule that knows where to deliver life and when to hold back until the right moment. That fine-tuned cooperation between chemistry and purpose feels nothing short of divine. Every red blood cell in your body is packed with about 270 million of these tiny proteins, each acting in perfect harmony with the others. They travel through 60,000 miles of blood vessels, ferrying oxygen from the lungs to roughly 37 trillion cells. This network operates seamlessly, 24 hours a day, never resting or faltering. When you think about it, it's impossible not to feel awe. Hemoglobin is not simply a piece of biology, it's a testimony to the intricacy of creation, the signature of a creator who thought of everything. For every breath you take, hemoglobin is faithfully at work, orchestrating a silent symphony of life within you. God's design ensures that your body has the oxygen it needs to think, move, heal, and simply be. Even while you sleep, when your lungs continue to rise and fall in rhythm, hemoglobin is still there, connecting the air to the miracle of being alive. And it doesn't stop there. Hemoglobin does more than carry oxygen. It also helps carry carbon dioxide, the waste product of our cells, back to the lungs for exhalation. This exchange, delicate and constant, prevents toxicity and maintains the intricate balance of your blood chemistry. It's as though hemoglobin not only gives life, but also sustains it by removing what no longer serves you. Scientists can describe the molecular patterns, the atomic bonds, the physical reactions, but beyond the equations and charts lies something deeper: purpose. The way hemoglobin operates reveals intelligence, order, and care woven into every aspect of human biology. It is one of countless examples of invisible grace at work inside us, a system so graceful and exact that it humbles the most educated minds. The next time you feel your pulse in your wrist or your chest rising with every breath, remember the unseen workers within you. Think of those red blood cells racing through narrow capillaries, their cargo precious and exactly measured. Consider the hemoglobin locked inside them, ready to let go of its oxygen to feed each waiting cell. None of it is random. None of it is accidental. Each hemoglobin molecule, each red blood cell, each breath is a reminder that life was designed with intention and generosity. So yes, maybe it's time to pause for a moment and thank God for hemoglobin, this miraculous creation that sustains every heartbeat, every thought, every breath of your being. So that's today's signal on Wi-Fi, a world filled with wonder, written by a creator who connects all things, from atoms to galaxies, from yesterday to forever. Don't forget, science explores how things happen, but faith reminds us why. I'm Keith Whitley, and now, you know the truth. This was Wi-Fi. Stay curious, stay connected, and we will see you here next Wednesday.